Good everyone, you're watching Great Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Task Manager is not responding in your Windows machine. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to force, close, and reset Task Manager. So you can try pressing Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard and try launching Task Manager. If it is open but frozen, you can press Ctrl Shift Alt simultaneously to reset Task Manager to its default settings. If it remains unresponsive, you will have to open command prompt on your computer. You can go to the search window and type command. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a prompt for the user access control, you may click on yes. Now this should open the command prompt on your computer. Once you have the command prompt, you will have to go ahead and type the command taskkill space /f space /im space taskmgr.exe. This is the command to end the task manager or close the task manager. You can hit enter. Once this is done, you may close this window and then you may try to open task manager and check if it works as expected. If it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can run system file checker. So corrupted system files are common cause of Windows application lockup. To run the system file checker, you will have to open command prompt in the admin mode or elevated mode. So you can go to the search window and type command. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, you will have to execute the couple of commands. The first command what you will have to go and execute is sfc space /scan now. I will also mention this command in the video description. Hit enter to execute this command. Once you have executed this command, the next command what you will have to go ahead and execute is dism cleanup command to restore health. You can copy the command from my video description or you can type it manually from using your keyboard. Hit enter to execute this command. You will have to wait until this command is being successfully executed. Basically, it will try to repair the Windows image. Once this command is being successfully executed, you can close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you can try to restart your computer in clean boot. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type msconfig. Click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the system configuration window open, normally your startup selection would be under normal startup. So you will have to go ahead and choose selective startup and then go to the services. Check the box which says hide all Microsoft services. This will disable all the third-party application other than Microsoft. Once this is done, you may click on disable all, then click on apply and OK. It will prompt you to restart your computer. Once your computer restart, only Microsoft related services which are required to run your computer would be running on the computer. So it will eliminate all the third party application services, and that should definitely fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.